Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to cancel your subscription with Recraft AI. In order to do so, first off, you're going to want to make sure that you're logged in at Recraft AI, and once you're there you should be met with a screen similar to this. Up at the top right hand corner, you have a couple of options to consider, but the easiest way to cancel your subscription is just to click here either on the 50 or the upgrade. It'll do the same thing, and you can see here that then it'll bring you to the subscription page, and you have a variety of options here to choose from. Depending on what plan you currently are on, you can go ahead and click select plan on any of those, and then if you want to cancel the subscription and go back to the free plan, then you just want to click under the free plan. Right now it says current plan, but if you are on one of the other higher plans, then that will say select plan, and so you can click that and revert back to the free plan and cancel your subscription that way. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.